Here we go again, guys. It's a new video. Please, before we start, let's do something really quick. Because that helps me so much. And if you're one of the person that does watch the videos every week, whenever I get the time to post it, because I'm trying my best, please like and comment and all that. That will help me a lot. But this is one of them videos that when you do it, think like, I'm never gonna post this, but you end up doing it. So things have been so crazy lately. I have so much work there. I have courses going on. I have to iPath, load insecurities, because there's a lot of things coming up in this channel that you will be like, oh my god. I hope you enjoy it. Never know, so watch it completely to the end and like and comment this. Cheers, kids. And here we go again, guys. We're in a new video right now, and then I just do my checks quickly. So today I have to go into that mountain, and it's very narrow to get around there. So what do I need to do my research good, make sure I know where I'm going, because I don't think I've been up this way, and it's meant to be mad. But so it saves me 50 miles instead of going all the way around. But anyway, did all my checks. The trucks needs to clean today. Today's my last day of work, and well, no work, you know what I mean. So I used to do my checks both sides, and this side is a little bit crazy like. All right, well done. So it's time to get on the road right now. Gotta even be careful like coming around that way. All right, at least I got a little bit of space to open the door and all that. So let's get out of here. This is gonna be excited. Let's do the research quickly. I got a problem now. I need to get going. I need to get out of here, but it's no signal. Now I remember. So when I stopped there was no signal, and this is one of the most dangerous roads in the UK, and you will find out why. It's tiny roads, like corner streets, really hard to get past, and then you get traffic coming both ways. Trucks are allowed to come this way, gonna go up this way. Let's see what we come up to. Come on, let's get out of here, like quickly as we can. So straight away, it's not as easy getting out of here. Yeah, cheers, pal. All right. Don't want to be getting on the other side of the road. Oof, struggling the truck straight away. Give this guy a thank you. Cheers, mate. Woo. Straight away, the truck's struggling to get up this little hill, but it's not as much as a problem, to be honest. All right. Yeah, it's tight bends as well, and this goes all the way up to the mountain, and then you go past, well, you go nearby Buxton, I think it's pronounced. It's an amazing place by the looks of it already, but it's a bit dangerous, I will say. Whew, okay. What's that? 3/4 of a mile with tight bends. I mean, like not tight, but it's bendy. And I got cars coming that way as well. Try not to use my brakes, use my endurance and that. Even people slowing down for me. Don't drop so many gears. All right. Whew. All right. That looks like a tight bend as well. It's 2.5 miles going down. Wow. Okay, yeah. And to make it even better, the road is wet. And the traffic both ways as well are mental. I bet you got a little bit of traffic on me as well, because I'm not going the fastest myself. Well, to be honest, I only got 2 cars by the looks of it. Ooh, cars come and go. Wow, look at that drop there. I don't know if it looks like snow. It's snowing, man. It's snowing. It's actually snowing. It's actually snow. Wow. It's snowing. I can't believe it. It's only 6 degrees. It was 16 2 minutes ago. How can that be even possible? Yeah, there you go, my lady. You can go through now. How can that even be possible? I don't know if it's hailstones or snow. It's actually snow, guys. Tastes good. Wow, look at that, all the snow coming in. Raining, tight places, mountains, in a truck, driving around. Snowing heavier now, the snow is just getting crazy. It looks like it's turning into water now, so it won't be snowing badly, but we won't get the rain as well. Oh, this guy is coming like fast. Alright, lad. Woo! Yeah. Okay, this is the tight bend. I think after here we will get to Stoke-on-Trent. Yeah, this is a bloody tight one. This. Yeah. And the amount of hailstones you're getting up here as well. Look at that on the ground. So good, so good. Managed to come out that bit, but I think this is just about to get even worse now. This is just the beginning or something. This is just the beginning. I think I've been around there, Buxton. Pretty sure I have. All right, all fine. So yeah, I got a feeling in my heart this is just gonna get tighter around there now. All right, the traffic is building up a bit, but I don't know why, because you got the two roads, unless it's people parking on the wrong places. So is there too tight that the two cars can go past each other or something like that? Come on, give me a reason. What's going on in here? No, it's just traffic. It's just traffic. Yeah, I don't think it's the most dangerous road. It's just like tiny village, and it's a little bit of a nightmare getting around anywhere around there, because people park left and right in here, which is not a problem. They got a parking space. People need better parking space when they're building houses, but gotta remember, these houses are all the way from 17th century, 16th centuries. Oh yes, get me out of here. Get me out of here. We definitely don't want to turn left. All right, we're by the airport already on the M56. It's a 40 mile an hour. It's a very slow road, and you gotta remember it's average speed cameras as well, and the sun just come out now. It's just up that little mountain where everything goes mental. But anyway, traffic is absolutely horrendous. The N6, you cannot get on it because the simple reason is that it's too much traffic or it's been an accident. I'm not too sure what's happened. I stopped back there, had a little look at my phone, and nothing, and then I go back in my way. So it's going to be interesting to find out what actually is going on the N6. No way I'm getting on that straight away, so I'm gonna skip that junction, gonna get on the other one, so I skip a little bit of the traffic as well. Forty miles an hour advisory, that is. All right, delayed's gonna be. At least I don't have times to be anywhere. All I gotta do is just get home now. This is crazy, this. You know what? Guys, I'm gonna come back to you as soon as I get back, because the N6 today is like a car park. It doesn't look like we're getting anywhere. It's been about 20 minutes and we only done about 3 miles. So because it's 25 to 7 Omskirk, it's not going to be that bad. So yeah, I'll show you the route to getting into the yard, which is the quickest and the best one as well, because going through the back That's a big no after I knew I could go this way. Mate, whoa, is he coming now? Is he going in? Nope. Farmer, you are gonna go out? Cheers, mate. He was trying to go out. I should have let him out, actually. So what I normally do here is I strum both lanes. Obviously like a man, because sometimes the overswing of the truck can hit somebody there. So I just strum both lanes most of the time, just to make sure nothing bad's gonna happen. Days. Look at this. All right, about 3 days to get out of here now. That's for sure. All right, this is what's gonna happen. Gonna get back to the yard, gonna pack the trailer, gonna go and clean the truck, ready for Monday, and then yeah, I should be all right. Pack it up, just leave it. Take the stuff out there and get ready for Monday. All right, it's spectacular. That's what we want. Go on. It's not as easy when you got a 45 on the back. If it's a normal box, might be a little bit easier. But at the same time, I don't want to bring mixed yard. But I'm empty as well, so that won't bother too much. Won't make any holes. Okay, that's good. That all right. Ooh, oof, oof, oof. I got a bad habit to parking too close to people. I need to stop doing that. Alright, that corn. Always gotta be careful around there because I don't want to bang on the back of that shit. I think we got a little bit more to go through, but yeah, we got a little bit more. There we go, there we go. Happy days. All right, this is the end of the video, but before I finish, I'm gonna read you this. This is what I just have done now. So I went on the road. It's called Woodhead Pass. It's one of the most dangerous roads in the UK, but lorries are allowed to go past. And instead of going all the way around, which add up about 50 miles, if you go straight through that road, it's so much easier. Here's a screenshot of what I mean. So in 2018, 14 people were killed or seriously injured. I really feel for the people that have lost their life in that road. I just went past it. It's a serious thing, because going past roads like that, you have to be really skilled. So don't try this if you're a new driver. Please bear in mind, if you've been driving a year, it's not enough. If you haven't got enough experience, please try to avoid these roads as much as you can. So let's crack on with the video. All right, guys, and this is the end of the video. I just want to say thank you for watching. This is the end of it. We're gonna carry on doing this. Thank you for the support, the like, comment, and just comment whatever you want us all the time. And if you want anything to be changed in the channel, please let me know. I will make the changes, and I will read your comments, and I will reply as soon as I can, and as many comments as I can. Remember, it's too many comments sometimes coming through, but I try my best. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video, Trucking UK. Cheers, guys.